Hey guys, so next thing we're going to do is set up the tent. So we undo these two little black latches on either side to release the next section of floor and then just lift it up over the top. Now I like to keep it at this top point here because then you can do one leg and come straight out and in like that, come across the other side, and then it's just a matter of just flicking that over, pulling it out, and then back up in the bottom. It doesn't matter too much to start with where you put them, because when you get it down, you'll see that's a little bit high right now, but just release it, bring it up a couple of notches or so, and we're looking much closer to level now. Alright, next we'll go to the lid. On the lid here, you'll see there's a strap mounted to the side. This is to pull the top down to make it easy to access. A lot of people aren't tall enough to reach the zip. So, 3 zips, one across there, one at the back, and one on the other side here. Once you've released all those, there's then 5 clips around it. So, one on the sides, one there, and then 3 across the back. Last one on this side as well. Now we'll leave that there for the next stage, but after that there's 2 more black clips. Now these ones up in here, I'm not sure if you can see from there, but they're little magnetic clips. So to release those, you just pop that down and it just comes out. I'll go around the other side and do the same there too. Perfect. Now you just where it needs to be, then find where your corner of your floor is, and same thing again, you got those same magnetic clips again, so they just click onto there. So come across here, another one in this corner, one in the centre, a couple on the sides. On the other side as well. Alright, now they're all done. Now we come to the inside. You want to follow me in and I'll show you what we need to do in here. Taking the boots off so I don't get the floor all dirty. So, in here, on the inside there's these 3 black knobs. There's little slots down the bottom there. They just slip down into those and do a half turn to tighten them up. Same thing, they're magnetic again, so they go in pretty easy. Like so. Now, with the net that we've got left over from before, just give that a bit of a fold like that, and then roll it up into the lid. Now it just goes up onto that top shelf above where we had the insect screen attached to from previous videos. Now same thing again, just poke the canvas back around where the insect screen sometimes goes as well, all the way around. And then down the bottom here, there's just 2 little over center latch type things that lock that floor down as well. Now next, we up in the roof, undo these 2 wing nuts up top, pull that back, and then it swings down and around. Makes it easier sometimes too if you release that though. That just pushes down the end like that.
I'll go out, Mama.
Tightens up.
It's not tighter than Mama.
And then we come back and get the 2 legs. So one leg on either side, obviously. And just
I'll
click
do
up in the top
it.
half.
I'll do it.
Hold on, let me just do the video.
One onto the other side. And then you can see on the floor here also, there's a little ring where they drop into so they don't move around as well. You go, Hank, you jump down. There's also a breakfast bar, which we can drop on as well. So that just gets velcroed onto there. And then those clips, much easier than the old style where you used to have to tie them up. These ones now just click straight on and they're done. Well guys, that's pretty much ready for bed now. So I'm going to set up the all the bedding and we're good to go. Thank you.